I thought I knew what a facial mist could do, but the new SkinMedica HA5 Hydra Collagen Facial Mist completely changed my mind. I'm Meg, the senior site merchant here at Lovely Skin, and I love a hydrating facial mist, and I'm so excited to tell you what makes this one different than others I've tried. First, it has 5 forms of hyaluronic acid and vegan Hydra collagen, which means the hydration goes deeper than your average mist. It's not just refreshing the surface of your skin, it's giving actual, long-lasting hydration. SkinMedica tested it on all skin types, including sensitive skin, which means it can practically fit into any routine. It's also made with electrolytes and minerals that support healthier looking skin over time, not just in the moment. SkinMedica did some clinical trials on this product, and the before and afters are super impressive. This person used the HA5 Hydra Collagen Facial Mist for just 1 week, and look at the difference. Let me show you. The mist is super fine. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but I love how it feels. It's not wet or heavy. It's just the perfect little boost. It's also super versatile. You can use it as a last step in your routine or keep it at your desk for a midday reset over your makeup. And if you really want to level up your hydration, pair the facial mist with the entire HA5 collection, the Hydra Collagen Hydrator, the Water Burst Moisturizer, and the Foaming Cleanser. Together, they're a serious combo. Find it at Lovely Skin. Link in the description. Bye.